Dr. Bijoykumar Das is a renowned space scientist, technocrat, and a research innovation leader from Jagannath Puri, Orissa, India. He was in the United States for nearly 5 decades. Dr. Das is also a scholar of Indian scriptures and is renowned for his spiritual discourses on Shrimad Bhagwat Geeta.
Many, many centuries ago, people understood our culture, Indian culture. We must have that Gurukul education. We must have human value education. We must be the best inventors of the world. We have so many universities. How many inventors are there? Why not? We have so many professors. How many professors are inventors and giving something to the world? Why not? Why is it not coming? Do you know the reason why is it not coming? Because we have not taught them first the human value, their dharma. They take up a job to survive, get a salary, take care of this. Once that changes through Bhagavad Gita and Yoga Shastra, you will see India will be full of inventors, full of yogis, full of rishis, full of munis, and that was our culture. First lecture I heard from Dr. Karad. Do you know, Bijay, why we are called Bharat? I was not knowing. Do you know? जो भा में रथ हो वो भारत है. क्या भरत थे? The story of Shakuntala, if you read and if you know, what sort of lady she was. She created, she gave birth to Bharat, जिसके लिए हमारा देश का नाम भारत है. We are all Indians. We are all Bharatiya. Because our own goal was Bha, Jyoti, Gyan, knowledge, intellect. We should lead the world. Let me show you few things which will be surprised how we made all this. It was there that we must have a Dibya Chakyu, where it should give you past what happened, present what is happening, and also future prediction, what will happen. I will show you today that product we have developed. Where from it came? It came from Bhagavad Gita. Now COVID is there. So many people are dying. What Bhagavad Gita taught us. And so clearly he gave the solution to Arjun. That if the COVID comes, you have the hathiyar to kill. You have to destroy them. But we never went into detail. And those who have gone into details, they made the product, they brought the technology. I will show you these things today to you because you may not be knowing how much we got from Bhagavad Gita, from every sloka. And then we developed. Look at this. He is telling, clearly Bhagavad Gita is telling, Panchajanyam Hrushikeshu, Devadattam Dhananjaya, Poundram Dadmam Mahashankha, Bhimakarma Brukodaraha, Ananta Vijayang Raja, Kunti Putro Yudhishthiraha, Nakula Sadevasya, Shugosomani Pushpaku. Bhishma the band party bajane lage, military band party, and Hamare Pandav and Lord Krishna. He played Panchajanya, Poundra, Ananta Vijay, Sugosomani Pushpakau. What happened? Just go to the next sloka. He says, effect of that was Bhishmadeva's band party was a big noise, stimulating noise to go and fall to die. But this one, to stop the war, to tell them what will be the consequences of the war, Dhatrashtran Hridayani Vyadarayat. As soon as these Shankh, they could play, then what happened? Dhritarashtra, all the people of Dhritarashtra's side, they had heart palpitation and heart attack. This is called acoustic weapon. Do you know we use acoustic weapon in a big way in military and crowd control? This is coming from Bhagavad Gita. One by one if we go, we get so many things, but today we may not have so much of time. to show you all these products, but I can show you something. How can we make Bhagavad Gita in 1500 languages? What will be the size of Bhagavad Gita? What sort of script can we get? How can we write? And then if you go and see the dustbin, all the books are thrown there. Nobody reads it. ISKCON gives freely the Bhagavad Gita, nobody reads it. Should we continue to do that? We stopped. We will not give in the digital world, the cognitive world, we will not make such books. But we will reach the whole world with 1,500 languages. How? Anubhuti can be expressed, but Anubhav cannot be expressed. So therefore, what we are trying to do is, it's a digital format, which I will open it up. I will show you how it is done. You don't have to read the book. You just ask the question, what sort of answer God has given for this problem? I'll tell you how I made the COVID-free Jagannath Mandir in Puri. I promised them, they saw it, and they have taken a decision that the parikrama and the mandir, anybody goes, he will not suffer from any virus. Whatever is coming, threatening us, or the virus which is existing, nobody will be affected. How is it done? How cancer can be cured? All Bhagavad Gita. How they showed us, I'll tell you how God has given secretly the answer to Arjun. Arjun is asking, Prabhu, it is impossible. All inventors like us, we have only one difference. What is the difference between a researcher and an inventor? Inventor thinks with a paradigm shift, which is not existing. Researcher researches, and gets more and more ideas.